Hello everyone, today we're going to be taking my Arcade1UP Countercade and this Pac-Man and making it a little bit more portable. So with this barrel connector to USB I got from uplayarcade.com and a power bank, we should be able to take this Arcade1UP and use it anywhere in the house without the need of a plug. Disconnect right here. Plug in the new connection for the USB. Plug it into my power bank and plug in the charging cable. We're going to snake the charging cable through one of the slots here so we don't actually have to modify the cabinet at all. And we're going to tape down the power bank so that it doesn't move with some electrical tape. Close the lid there, and as you see the USB cable dangles at the back. That'll be used for charging. And now to see if it works, let's turn it around and turn it on. Bingo! We are now running off battery power. 4 hours later, and it is still running off the battery, hasn't shut off. Pretty impressive. I'm very happy with the conversion so far. Now, as you can see here, I put a little Apple brick on the end of the USB just so I can plug it in, and it plugs into the wall like that. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more from my channel, please make sure to like and subscribe.